25 Decorative Antique Mirrors, Products and Ideas for Vintage Lovers. Before you can refer to an item as antique, it has to be at least 100 years old. But that is not the case. DIY experts and manufacturers have been able to craft antique products and even make them look like they've been around for decades. Are you looking for amazing antique mirrors? Well, you are on the right page. In this article, we have put together some of the best antique mirrors we were able to find. We also included some ideas to help inspire you. Go through our list and you would be glad you did. 1. After looking at a broad range of amazing antique mirrors, I stumbled upon this unique piece. It is a mirror designed to be on a dedicated wall space in your home. You can use it for your entryway, bathroom, or bedroom. The finish type is gold and the size is 24 x 36. Trust me, this will make great decor for your home. Check on Amazon. 2. Here's another beauty worthy of note. What caught my attention is the oval shape. Square and rectangular mirrors are great, but oval-shaped ones give a unique feel to any room. The size of the mirror is 17 x 17, it is silver in color and would make a great vintage decor. Check on Amazon. 3. This antique mirror doesn't look too old. It is the perfect description of a modern-style antique mirror. The mirror is framed in a gorgeous antique gold foil frame. It also features vintage-like scalloped edges. How beautiful this piece would look in your home is totally up to your creativity. Check on Amazon. 4. Enough things are already hanging on your walls. That's okay, instead of buying a wall-mounted antique mirror, you can opt for one that does not require being installed on the wall. The Usown Vintage Handheld Mirror is an amazing handheld decorative mirror for personal use. Check on Amazon. 5. Source, Digs. Here's a minibar with an antique mirror as the backsplash. This rustic-looking mirror is perfect for the scenario. It goes well with the white cabinets. Even if you had a different color of cabinets, it would still look great. 6. I found yet another unique product that you can purchase for your home. It is under the $50 mark and would look great in your home. It is an oval-shaped mirror with good reflection. The material type is polyresin. Check on Amazon. 7. There's no harm in purchasing an antique mirror above $100, if you can afford it, then why not? This antique mirror is a perfect focal point for an entryway, bedroom, or any room. The mirror's edge is uniquely beveled, thus giving it that perfect rustic look. Check on Amazon. 8. In a bathroom setting like this, I don't see any other mirror beating this clean large modern antique silver mirror. It has a finishing that is 100% perfect. The silver finish is amazing. It is also very safe and easy to install. Although it is above $150, I would highly recommend it. Check on Amazon. 9. This antique mirror might not give you the same feeling an old antique mirror would give, however, it is the most decorative antique mirror on our list. It is easy to install and a perfect option for a modern antique mirror. Check on Amazon. 10. Source, Pinterest. The first thing that caught my eyes on this mirror is the rustic edges. Where to place this amazing piece is completely up to you. Purchasing something like this would be expensive, this however depends on the age and size of the antique mirror. 11. You can use both sides of this antique mirror to see your face, hence the name, double face mirror. It has a cool bronze finish and is made of zinc alloy. This product would last a long time in your home without needing a replacement due to its durability. Check on Amazon. 12. Here's one I bet you have not seen before. This is an antique-inspired oval mirror with a pewter frame. It isn't too wide in dimensions, I would recommend using this in your bedroom or bathroom. Installation is very easy. Check on Amazon. 13. When you hear the word antique mirror, what first comes to mind? For me, it is a uniquely edged mirror that is perfect for decorating your home. Here we have the best antique princess mirror, it is large and ideal for bedroom use. Check on Amazon. 14. As a fan of rustic decor, I could not help but stare in awe at this magnificent antique ceramic mirror. The antique mirror features a round glass mirror with a ceramic frame. It also comes with a hanger which makes installation very easy. Where to keep this is completely up to you. Check on Amazon. 15. Source: Pinterest. Wondering for the perfect place to keep your recently purchased antique mirror? Here's a tip to help. This image features an antique mirror perfectly placed on the wall just over the bathroom vanity. The use of a golden antique mirror with gray cabinets is a must-have. 16. After feeding your eyes to the beautiful idea above, we decided to list this as an option. Although it is not as big as the image above, it is still amazing. The dimensions are 11 by 9.5 inches and would be great if used as a tabletop decorative antique mirror. Check on Amazon. 17. Another antique mirror worthy of being on our list of best antique mirrors of decoration is this beauty. It features 3 nude maidens dancing around a mirrored pool. The faux stone finish of the maidens is quite amazing. You should consider getting this for your bathroom. Check on Amazon. 18. Source: Digs. Over time, many people have used faded mirrors as walls in their bathrooms. Using faded mirror walls makes the bathroom look a whole lot bigger and brighter. Installing mirrors on the walls of your bathroom should only be done by a professional to avoid danger. 19. Source: Big Media. As said earlier, your kitchen is another place for an antique mirror. However, you will need a unique kind of antique mirror for your kitchen backsplash. As you can see, the kitchen looks a whole lot better with the antique mirror. 20. This product is specifically designed for people who do not want a 100% rustic home look. While using an old antique mirror in a modern house may seem great, some modern houses would look a whole lot better with a modern antique mirror like this geometric gold mirror. Check on Amazon. 21. Source: Digs. Out of options on where to keep an antique mirror in your bathroom? Here's an amazing idea featuring a refined faded mirror space divider. I have not seen anything like it before and I must say, it is really amazing. 22. Source: Digs. The use of antique mirrors in your bathroom depends on your level of creativity. There are many ideas you can try out. Here's a unique one where faded mirrors were used for the shower walls, thus giving the bathroom a rustic feel. 23. Antique mirrors like this have a way of bringing life to a room. This is an oversized antique mirror for your living room, bedroom, or anywhere you deem fit to place it. It costs above $500, but the purchase would be worth it after placing it in your home. Check on Amazon. 24. Now, this is what I call amazing. The build of this mirror is pretty much different from the others we have listed in this article. The mirror is crafted of solid fir wood and has a weathered brown finish. Check on Amazon. 25. Source: Pinterest. Do you have a large wall space at home and you are looking at giving it some life? Here's a tip: gather a couple of handheld antique mirrors and carefully arrange them on the wall. It will look amazing, trust me. Conclusion. That's a wrap on antique mirrors. After carefully selecting some of the best products and ideas for your viewing pleasure, the final decision on which product to buy or idea to try is totally up to you. Feel free to share this article with your friends and family members who love antique mirrors.